The core feature of Insnare is its networks crawler. An overhaul of the UX/UI is currently underway. The single-page application will bring it to the forefront. Here's how to access it, starting from our landing page. Select the option at the bottom. Next, select Manage. For this demo, I've created a project called Electronics Engineering Australia. There are 3 ways to crawl networks. First is to start from an existing project. From their account, a user can create projects and select companies for their search. Second is more for advanced users, where they'd have worked out their dataset and started tagging it. The crawl can be started from these tags. Last is when a user knows companies to be in the scope of their search and wants to start the propagation of the crawl from them. We'll start from an existing project. I had pre-selected companies which I want the crawler to start propagating from. I'm looking for companies in electronics engineering. One way to identify them is to check if they hire electronics engineers. Insnare has a built-in taxonomy, in other words, the lexical context around a given concept. I select hardware engineering, and within it narrow down to electronics engineering. Next, I can optionally add keywords to guide the crawler around job titles that gravitate around that of electronics engineer. For now, we use input fields that only support regex. It's going to be replaced by natural language inputs. I set the ideal company size, adjust randomness, and launch the crawl. Insnare combines executive search and talent acquisition with network science to automate market mapping and talent sourcing. Guided by AI-driven market intelligence, it smartly crawls the web to find perfect matches, the ideal talent within the ideal company. Insnare discovered electronics engineering companies. All are on target, and so are the employees. As you can see, the search isn't limited to only job titles matching. We use AI models to understand each profile, classify them, and assess whether they are electronics engineering professionals. Looking up a company dashboard, what's yet to be implemented from the prototype are sentiment analysis and talent insights. Though we already consolidate enough insights to make a data-driven decision, the user can set a status and scroll from one to the other. Same applies to the employee dashboard. Though the breakdown and speedometer animation are yet to be implemented, our AI model already scores the relevance of each profile according to our search criteria by default. It's possible to update the scoring against custom criteria. Adding an API integration to contact details providers is on the roadmap. The user can set a status and scroll from one to the other. This is how you make your own luck happen.